Good morning, everyone. Being a boss or a manager is never easy. You always have to be on your toes and keep demonstrating various leadership traits and skill in engaging team to attain organizational goal. You also have to make sure that such approach is adapted, which ensures team's work-life balance. But still, there is always something left to be done, and that is why it's called a thankless job. But it is not as thankless as it sounds, and we have few of our colleagues who are talking about how their bosses are best. Let's hear it from them.
Hello everyone, this is Deepak from Mavana branch. Hope you and your family are doing good. So today I love to share the best thing in my boss. Come my well-wisher, come my friend, come my brother, Mr. Ankit Garg. आप भी सोच रहे होंगे that I have mentioned many words to Mr. Ankit Garg, but really these words are really matter in our connectivity. The best thing in Ankit sir that when you stuck somewhere and your boss says that तू करना यार, तू बढ़ आगे, मैं देख लूंगा. Seriously, at that time you will feel like a one-man army and you can do anything. क्योंकि understanding and support is the main part of leadership, which I found the same in Ankit sir. All the best. Thank you. Stay fit and stay connected. Bye-bye.
This is Abhishek Tiwari from Lucknow location. Today I would like to say about my boss, Divya sir. He's a helping, supportive and cool person, a good leader. I know him from last 4 years and he is very much supportive. जब कभी भी ज़रूरत होती है कभी भी कॉल किया, हमेशा सॉल्यूशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं. और एक चीज़ उनके साथ बेस्ट है, उन्होंने जो हेल्थ टिप्स सभी को दी है, एक मोटिवेशन लेवल है पूरे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में हमारे लिए सभी के लिए. और एक चीज़ उन्होंने प्रूव करी है कि एक स्वस्थ शरीर में ही स्वस्थ मस्तिष्क का विकास होता है, जिससे हम अपने वर्क प्लेस पर फिट रह के और अच्छे बेटर तरीके से काम कर सकते हैं हम. तो मैं सर के लिए कहना चाहूँगा, आई कैन डू इज ऑफरिंग माई ग्रेटिट्यूड एंड अप्रिसिएशन फॉर योर लीडरशिप एंड योर फॉर बीइंग सच अ वंडरफुल बॉस. Thank you, sir.
Hi, my boss is best. I am talking about Mr. Deependra Verma, who is head of MP Cluster. I am Shashank, branch head of Dhar. Yes, my boss is best. My boss, Mr. Deependra Verma, is actually a true leader. He lead by example. He allows us to use all the talent and creativity to support the customer, to help the customer. By doing all these things, we are able to acquire more and more customer. Whenever he visit to branch, he demonstrate how to do this work, and always ready to support us. Very positive, very good guide, and he support us a lot. I will definitely tell Mr. Deependra Verma, Cluster Head of MP, is my best boss. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, Ankush Sharma, Branch Head Noida, Sector 27 branch. Today I would like to say a few words about Sandeep sir, and he is among the best boss I worked for. Why? Because he is very understanding personality, very approachable. He care about the team very well. He is available 24/7 for any problem, and I loved working with Sandeep sir as he helped me to motivate me, to mentor me and offered valuable feedback. Thanks.
हेलो मंशु सर. सर, आपकी टीम में काम करना मेरे लिए सौभाग्य की बात है. आपका बैंकिंग में 18 साल का एक्सपीरियंस, लाइफ का एक्सपीरियंस, आपका परफेक्शन मेल को लेकर, ड्रेसिंग सेंस को लेकर, डेली रूटीन की लाइफ को लेकर, सर वो औसम है. आपने हमेशा हर कदम पे हमारा साथ दिया. गलत काम में कैसे हम उसे सही करें, मेल कैसे सही भेजनी है, फॉर्मेट क्या होना चाहिए, लैंग्वेज क्या होना चाहिए, उसमें हमेशा सर आपका सपोर्ट मिला है, जिसकी वजह से थैंक यू सो मच. वेरी वेरी थैंक यू सर. ऐसे ही भविष्य में हम आपके साथ काम करते रहेंगे और उम्मीद करते हैं कि जैसे काम हमने किया उससे भी बेहतर काम करेंगे. थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू सो मच.
Hi, my boss Ravi sir is the best boss because he is a good communicator, a strong leader and a fair decision maker. So working with you is indeed a privilege. Not everyone gets the privilege opportunity of working with you, with such a humble caring, and a man with an awesome sense of humor. Thank you so much for everything that you do. Stay safe, stay healthy, sir.
Hello everyone, why my boss are best? That means why Gaurav and Harsh are best. They are having a lot of qualities which make them best, like team management, their caring nature, their discipline towards the work, and the best part is that they're exceptionally motivated and they're very smart hard workers. All qualities make them the best. Thank you.
Hi, Divya sir, as we fondly called him as an inspiration in himself. I am directly associated with Divya sir since last 1 year and always found him as a role model in all walks of life. Thank you Divya sir for being my mentor. Your knowledge and skills are above par, and the best part is your helping hand, which is always there whenever there is a need or crisis. Thanks Divya sir.
Hello, my boss name is Mr. Himanshu Garg और मैं बीइंग शिवालिक में मैं उनको लगभग मोर देन 10 ईयर्स से जानता हूँ. उनकी लीडरशिप क्वालिटी, उनकी पॉजिटिव सोच उन्हें बॉसेस से हटके एक ऐसा पर्सन बनाती है कि जो हर आदमी चाहता है कि शायद मैं हिमांशु जी की तरह या उनकी जैसी सोच अपने अंदर लाऊं और चीज़ों को पॉजिटिवली रिस्पॉन्ड करके उनके जैसा बनना चाहूँ. उनकी एक्यूरेसी, उनकी सोच, समझने की शक्ति सबसे अलग है. और ये चीज़ उन्हें सबसे अलग बनाती है.
Yes, sir, good morning. In general, if we ask anyone, they have just two choices. How's their boss? It's very good or bad. But yes, we have our boss from a very rare category that is perfect. Sober, gentleman, but focused and to the point at the same time. Thank you.
I feel very thankful to have an opportunity to simply express my gratitude towards my boss, my superior, mentor, Mr. Ravi Ratnakar Singh. Thank you, sir, very much for the valuable skills that I have learned from you over the past few years. Your thoughtfulness has empowered me and encouraged me to do my best always. Thank you, sir, for transforming my mistakes into valuable lessons. Your leadership has made me more productive and converted all my skills into strengths. The biggest challenge in having an extraordinary boss like you is that it will be very difficult for all of us to work anywhere else in future. Just like how trees needs water to grow, human needs air to live, company needs bosses like you to survive and prosper. Thank you very much for being our lifeline. Thank you.
Gaurav Mittal sir, I think he is one of the coolest boss I ever had. He has a unique quality, and that is his quiet nature. And I think this is a best learning for me also. It's been more than 4 years to work under him. He always support and guide me at any situations. He allows me to take decision independently. That shows the trust and faith he is on me. He is also very helping and caring in nature. That motivates to connect with the organizations. I am very fortunate that I got a chance to work with him. For me, he is the best boss.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार. मैं हरिओम मिश्रा, शिवालिक मार्केट एंड प्रॉपर्टी बैंक लिमिटेड देवास ब्रांच से. फ्रेंड्स, मैं आज आपको अपने बॉस श्री दीपेंद्र वर्मा सर के विषय में कुछ बताना चाहता हूँ. जैसे कि आप सभी लोग जानते भी हैं कि वो बहुत ही मोटिवेशनल पर्सन है एवं जब भी हमें उनकी गाइडेंस की आवश्यकता पड़ती है तो तुरंत उसमें क्विक रिस्पॉन्स देते हैं. एनी टाइम कभी भी हम उनको कॉल लगाते हैं तो कभी भी हर समय वो उपलब्ध रहते हैं और हमको जो भी हमारा मार्गदर्शक के रूप में हमेशा हमारे साथ में रहते हैं एवं आगे भी हम चाहेंगे उनका मार्गदर्शन हमारे साथ ऐसे ही बना रहे. धन्यवाद.
मैं अपने बॉस सूर्य सर के बारे में ये बताना चाहूँगा कि हम जब भी उनके पास किसी इश्यू पे डिस्कशन के लिए जाते हैं तो उसको इश्यू को बहुत ध्यान से सुनते हैं और समझते हैं और फिर उसका बहुत अच्छी तरीके से उसका हम लोग को सोल्यूशन निकालते हैं। हम लोग उनसे कभी भी किसी भी विषय में बात कर लेते हैं, कभी नाराज नहीं होते, बहुत हम्बल हैं और हमेशा एक फैमिली मेंबर की तरह ट्रीट करते हैं। कभी भी किसी समय कोई हमसे डिस्कशन कर सकते हैं, कभी उनके साथ ऐसा नहीं रहा कि भाई तुमने इससे फोन कर दिया, बार बार मुझसे बात कर रहे हो, कभी ऐसी समस्या नहीं आती। He is a very good boss for all of us.